Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 2. We will present about our project water quality monitoring system for hydroponic. Next. Okay, let me introduce our team. With me, Junadil Fatwal Ardiwal and
My name is Febrian Ferdi Raffi.
And my name is Deko Aprilianis.
okay, this is a description about water quality monitoring for hydroponic. Hydroponic system monitoring water quality is essential to ensure the plant receive optimal nutrition. The parameters monitored are TDS, total dissolved solid, or HAC, electrical conductivity, measure the concentration of nutrient in the solution. The second is water temperature, ensure ideal condition for plant growth. Next, here are the component. Uh, SP, SP80-266, then sensor TDS meter, then sensor DS18B20, and LCD OLED 0.96. Next, and this is jumper cable and Arduino IDE, mini water pump, and then power supply.
Okay, how does this work? Data measurement from sensor. First, the TDS sensor measure the amount of dissolved solid in water and sends an analog signal to the ESP. Then the DS 18B20 sensor measure the water temperature and sends the data digitally to the ESP. Then the ESP read signal from the TDS analog and DS 18B20 digital sensors. Then data from the sensor is processed and convert to TDS, ppm and temperature Celsius units. TDS and temperature data are displayed on the OLED display. Next, automatic nutrient addition using water pump. The microcontroller compares the read TDS value with the predetermined set point value. If TDS smaller than set point, the microcontroller decides that the solution requires additional nutrient. The microcontroller sends a signal to the relay to activate the water pump. The water pump pumps the nutrient solution from the nutrient tank to the hydroponic solution until the TDS value reach the set point. When the TDS value is higher or equal to set point, the microcontroller sends a signal to the relay to turn off the water pump. This is a circuit schematic, and this is the design result we made. Nutrient tank and hydroponic design. Okay, next.
Now I'm gonna explain the flowchart. This flowchart show how a system check water quality by measuring total dissolved solids or TDS and temperature. Now start, the system turns on and start working. Next, the system is system design, setting up the system hardware and software. Next, the process is system initialization. The system gets all the parts ready, like a sensor and the display screen. And next, the process is data measurement. The system uses sensor to measure TDS in ppm and temperature in Celsius. Next, the process is data processing. The system checks the data to make sure it correct and decides what to do. Next, display data. The TDS and temperature values are shown on the OLED screen. Next, the process is checks data accuracy. If the data is correct, move to the next step. If the data is not correct, try measuring and processing again. Next, the TDS checks. If TDS is less than 500 ppm, move to the next step. If TDS more than 500 ppm, check the data again. Next, the temperature check. If the temperature is more than 30 Celsius, activate the water pump and relay. If the temperature is below 30 Celsius, the sensor is keep checking. And next, delay and activation. If everything is okay, wait until 5 seconds and turn on the water pump and relay. Next is the end. The system finished its works. Next, the block diagram. The diagram shows how the system parts work together. The main controller is ESP, and it connects to the components. One, the power supply gives power to microcontroller and all parts of the system. Two, Wi-Fi module allows the ESP to connect to the internet for remote control or monitoring. Three, the water pump controlled by ESP to turn water flow on or off. Four is a OLED screen shows TDS and temperature data for the user to see. Next is a motor servo, move mechanical parts like a valve controlled by ESP. And next is the temperature sensor, measures the water or environment temperature. Last, TDS sensor measures the TDS level in water and sends the information to the ESP. This system helps monitor and control water quality in a simple and automated way.
Okay, that's all for our presentation. Thank you and wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, this is the prototype our team we made. The water quality monitoring system for hydroponic. Okay, this is the part of the system when we get microcontroller ESP, the TDS sensor, OLED screen, relay, battery, and we have some sensor DS18B20. Okay. When the system start data measurement, the system use the sensor to measure TDS in ppm and the temperature Celsius. When data processing, the system checks the data to make sure it is correct and decides what to do. And the display data, the TDS and temperature value are shown on the OLED screen. In the screen, TDS is 254 and the temperature is the 38 Celsius. When the system start,
First, reset the microcontroller ESP. After 5 seconds,
the relay is on. When the TDS and temperature checking, if TDS less than 500 ppm and temperature is more than 30 Celsius, the relay and water pump on, and wait 5 seconds and turn on the water pump and relay. When the TDS value is more than set point is the 700, the cleanse is good.
And the relay is off because the nutrient is
Sufficient.
sufficient. Okay.
Okay, it's all about our system or our monitoring water quality of the
Hydroponic.
hydroponic. Okay, see you again. Bye.
Thank you.